First, we will start by showing our real trading account. After that, we will select the 5-minute time frame. Now we will select the MACD indicator. Once the MACD indicator is selected, we will choose our trading pair, AUD-USD. As you can see, the MACD indicator is giving us a buy direction, so we will take our first buy trade. Now let's understand the MACD indicator in detail. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It is a popular technical indicator used to identify market trends, momentum, and possible changes in price direction. The MACD consists of 3 main components. MACD line. This shows the difference between 2 exponential moving averages and helps us identify the current momentum. Signal line. This is the moving average of the MACD line and helps us identify potential entry signals. Histogram. The histogram shows the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. It helps us understand the strength of the current momentum. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it can indicate bullish momentum and a potential buy opportunity. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it can indicate bearish momentum and a potential sell opportunity. However, we should never rely on the MACD alone. Always confirm the signal with market conditions, price action, and proper risk management. Win. Now let's move to our second trade. We will select the EUR-USD pair again and check the MACD direction. As you can see, the indicator is now showing a bearish direction, giving us a potential sell signal. So we will take our sell trade based on the MACD direction. As you can see, our second trade has also been successful. If you also want to learn how to understand indicators like MACD and improve your trading analysis, make sure to follow our content. And if you want to receive free trading signals, you can join our Telegram group through the free link in the description.